You want to have that third party prioritize the things that you want to spend your money and time on. So we approach it in 4 different buckets. From the left, we have the unload. Your inspector should be calling you, going to their point of contact and saying, unload this position right away and put it out of service because there's an imminent risk of a collapse. Then we kind of move to the right to the high priority category. So this is when you want to address ASAP. May not necessarily need to unload, maybe the top level if needed, but your inspector will be able to guide you whether an unload of that position is required or not, partially, I mean. These are things we want to address ASAP. We want to tackle the unloads by making sure that that bay is put out of service. And we want to tackle the high priority issues by putting a fix in place ASAP. Now, the other 2 buckets, one, the moderate is, hey, we saw it. It doesn't rise to the level where it needs to be unloaded or addressed right away. But if you're going to have somebody mobilized to perform some upright replacements or some repairs, you may want to add some of those moderate issues to the scope of work because it's just a matter of time before those locations get re-impacted, and you're going to have to address them at some point as well. The low, this is what engineers do to ensure that it was noted. As minor as the issue is, small deformation, there's wire mesh decking that may be slightly bent. That kind of stuff falls into the low. And it's more to say, hey, we saw it. We made note of it. Keep your eye on it, but there's no need to act right away.